Hey Phoenix, how's it going?
It's going good.
What are we doing?
It's spray painting the windshield wipers.
Arms,
Arms.
not the wipers themselves. Okay, so what are we doing it for?
To make it look pretty.
There you go, cosmetically cheap mod. Okay, what kind of car is this, Phoenix?
The 1994 Honda Civic.
Absolutely, and it's a hatchback. Okay, so what are you using?
The Rust-Oleum, the graphite black peel coat.
Awesome. All right, let's see your handiwork. Yeah, Murray, you don't have to go thick at all. You just gotta go. There you go. Here, let's switch. You go here. All right, I'm gonna film, and you're gonna spray.
All the way down.
Yeah, go for it. All right, so you're blotching it, sir. Remember how he showed you? There you go. Yeah, just go light colors. Let's do light. Yep. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. Good job. Here, I'm gonna do the next one. You film. My turn. My turn. My turn. Remember how he showed you to do it this way?
Yeah.
To just hit it and go?
Yep.
So the beautiful part about this peel coat is it's a cheap wannabe. So this is a cheap wannabe Plasti Dip. This is Rust-Oleum's. It smells really strong. Make sure you're in a well ventilated area. Yeah, so right now we're just, because I need a window regulator, I don't have it. I'm just trying to do things to make the car look a bit nicer so that when it goes for safety, don't keep coming up to me. I'm walking away from you on purpose. So I'm just trying to make things look a bit better on the car, a bit nicer. Because when you go for a safety, some mechanics are gonna be like, hey man, this is busted, this is this is that, that's the other. So all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make the car look like in one whole piece that looks good. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna touch yours up a bit. So the thing is, it's gonna be shiny. So I don't know if the cops are gonna like that, nor do I really care. But yeah, so what the heck's happening up there? So I would do the same on the mirrors, but my mirror does this. My mirror's broken, so I need a mirror as well and a window regulator. With the window regulator, it will have the window roll-up thingy. I don't know what the heck it's called. It's called something. The roll-up thingy. Give me that. Thank you, sir. So, Phoenix, how do you like working on my little car?
Fun.
Good. And what are you doing in school? Give me this. What are you doing in school right now? And what have you learned?
Brakes. Front sway link bar.
Nice.
That's really it.
Good.
How to change a tire.
Good. And what grade are you in?
10.
Good. Are you sure you're in grade 10? Yeah, think about it there. So look, it looks shiny. Wow, that actually looks... Hey, you can actually pick it up. There's like fleck in it. That's interesting. I like it. It looks a bit better. I don't know if I want to do the hood black, do the whole wannabe just black hood, because I want to do the whole car black. So, yeah. But overall, the car's in good shape. No holes in the body. Well, the body, yes. The frame, no. Underneath, no holes. There's a couple holes I already patched. I just got to find sandpaper. I also got to transfer these lights to this one because that one's way too dark. What I might just do is just transfer this whole trunk onto here because somebody dinged it on something hard. And apparently, it's starting to rust. Not a fan of that. But it's a 94, what can you do? It's a beaut. It drives mechanically, no issues. Brakes might need to be touched up. When we do brakes, what are you doing over there? You're like purposely running away from the video or something? Look, there's Phoenix. Uh-oh. And what is he doing? He's repping the Kenny Upel hat. Awesome. Like it. Yeah. Kenny Uples for the win. I'm hoping to go there on the 18th. Okay, bye.